What are we doing today? So, on today's episode, what's fucked up, guys? Today we're doing a lower ball joint on this fucking van. Fucking Ford. What are you doing, jackass? You don't know how to put the jacks in or what? No. Fucking bitch. So there's a reason why we're replacing the lower ball joint. It has a whole bunch of play right here. See that? It's dangerous. So we popped off the tie rod on this side, and then we're able to pop off the lower ball joint. Now we just gotta pop it off from here, from the knuckle. See how that goes. Taking off the nut for the link. So we got the lower ball joint off from just banging the shit. Oh, I fucked up my hammer. That's fucked up. And then of course, OEM lower ball joint. Sealed all the way. Yeah. And just like that, everything's back together again. Brand new lower ball joint. And then I just gotta put the net and call it a day. And then we're done. Now time to take it for a spin. Way better. To end the night, we changed the part. Van's good. It's not fucked up anymore. Yeah. Just the customer's gonna have to change these fucking bumpy ass tires. They're all like all on the fucking even and shit. Oh, they're fucked up. Just like this right here.